Hello, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So, looking at Finnifty expiry for today. So, ये 1 month का chart है. तो देखते हैं based on ICT concepts what are the levels we are seeing. The monthly एक volume imbalance है. So, nearby. अभी तक market उस area में there's no body. So, again we can expect market to come and deliver a body on top of this area. So far still open, and yeah, just gonna mark the current month highs and lows. Let's switch to weekly. So weekly there's this clear gap. So ये एक हो सकता है for this week kind of a trade. So कोई इसमें there's no body or wick in this area, it's pure gap. So market can potentially come, इसको fill कर सकती है market पूरा, either by a wick or the body. And these two weekly highs also pretty nice, pretty close. And even mark this week as well. And of course there's a volume imbalance and fair value gap, but ये थोड़ा दूर है for today. So for today it looks like nearby and weekly levels, mainly a gap market might try to fill in. And yeah, let's switch to daily. Daily में भी ये gap है. So I'm gonna mark the low yesterday का. Again, market the volume imbalance is overlapping with the ये जो fair value gap था एक. Again ये bearish था, अभी ये inverse fair value gap कहते हैं इसको. Basically this एक bearish gap था, but market उसके ऊपर ही खुली है. So this area is still, और ये because ये volume imbalance से भी overlap कर रहा है, it could be very high probability. So once this low gets taken out, yesterday का जो, और lower time frame पे 5 minute 1 minute पे अगर मुझे downside fair value gaps market बना रही है, then it will mean कि ये market ये fill करेगी ये area. So it's high probability. And if market opens flat then और थोड़ा sustain करिए, then this equal highs first target है. Of course these are the areas which we have marked. And this is a broader fair value gap as well. ये 3 candle pattern. Basically ये पूरा एक area ही, it's like mix of a lot of things, because ये volume imbalance भी है in a way, so ये पूरा area ही बन जाता है. But you can individually think about ये. I think my goal would be to capture this gap के points, और मेरी entry only based on previous day low को जब breach करेगी उस time पे, if I see market sustain कर रही है इधर, and that's where I'll be going short. Yeah, I think that's about it. And ऊपर एक ये this is volume imbalance as well. तो potentially market flat खुल के ऊपर it can come give a body on top of this area, or एक wick लेके it can reject. So it's important that you guys have marked this area. Let's switch to 4 hours. 4 hours is this fair value gap as well. Is still and you see this fair value gap, it's overlapping with a lot of higher time frame levels. But this fair value gap जो bearish था, ये inverse fair value gap बन रहा था. So basically market can come down, fill this, maybe इसके 50% level से market can take support and go up. So that is how I'll treat. I'll measure इसका 50%. तो क्या level आता है? That would be an important area. Basically, the market can turn from this upper quadrant. That will indicate a bullish move. But whenever there is a gap, I typically see market gap fill kar deti hai. So we'll see how market reacts and take the trades accordingly. Let's move to 1 hour. 1 hour. This one fair value gap and volume imbalance. So again, this all come in play कि जब market काफी bearish हो जाएगी, especially अगर ये gap fill कर रही है, even then it's coming down. I think this is going to be a very relevant trade. And on top, a slight little gap. यहाँ पे कोई trading नहीं. Let's mark that. It's important. So if market is basically going above this volume imbalance, taking support, right? So ये nearby ये 3 targets we have. So again, depends कितना large range day होता है. And again, you can use ATR to measure how big moves market is giving, and you can expect अगर ज़्यादा ATR then typical day market show कर रहा है, then it means कि market is going to make large moves. So one of the ways I try to take my positions as well using ATR. What's the average points के ऊपर जा रही है market या average points पे ही है, or is it below the average day ATR? So that's something you can use. यहाँ पे भी एक slight gap है, but I think, like I said, it's a little far. Let's switch to 30 minutes. Yeah, I don't see anything else. 30 minutes. All these bearish fair value gaps will become inverse fair value gaps. So you guys should mark these out individually. Let's switch to 15 minutes. Yeah, I don't see anything important. So yeah, okay. So these are the levels. So it will be interesting. Like I said, here 24,000 के market नीचे निकल के, if it even breaks this previous day low, वहाँ पे it would be a and even 24,000 say if market is showing bearish signature, like 5-minute or 1-minute bearish fair value gaps, that could be one trade you can get in early, call short karke, and then stop loss will be minimal. and then you can ride the move if it's going to be a large range day. And ऊपर की side, this volume imbalance will be a target. Markets open flat. Yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Thanks for watching. Please do give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.